Leave your car problems to our skilled mechanics. We specialize in European cars such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Porsche, and many more. Wheel alignment is recommended once or twice a year under normal driving circumstances. We have the right equipment to get the job done. Ask about our emergency services for a quick walk-in repair. See the engine light? Don't worry. We do vehicle diagnostic tests. We can determine if your vehicle has issues with its engine, exhaust, transmission, ignition coils, and more. We do tire repair, installation, balancing, and swapping. Oil change services starting at $34.99. Our services include suspension, any type of inspections, wheel alignment, tire and brake, emergency repairs, oil change and lube services, and many more. We will do everything we can to meet your expectations. Located at Bay 103, 10985 38th Street Northeast, Calgary. For any diagnostics and repairs, call today 403-731-1111 or visit us at www.StallionAutoRepair.com.